Rent reduction on the plate. More food news later in this program. MVP Singjay going back to basics. Jahmiel reconnecting with the Jamaican street after years on the road with Alkaline and Movado. Is there trouble in the camp?
Ready. Yeah. Me know them off of me head, know them want see me dead, know them do what bugger thing, know them do what bugger thing.
Long time no Jahmiel, busy overseas in better times, with lots of shows. 1/3 of MVP, along with Alkaline and Movado, but sitting out the pandemic in Jamaica. Corona drove you back to Jamaica?
You can't say that, because me as an artist are always on the go, so yeah.
But why was it important to be home during Corona?
Because the show now go on. I mean, the place just start opening up, so you know, shows are start coming little by little, but it's not on the scale where it used to go on. So,
give me an idea of how many gigs you'd be doing a month. And
a month?
And what's happening now?
Like 9. Like 9. 9 to 12. You see me, I say every weekend, booked out.
Some of those shows billing Jahmiel along with, yes, Alkaline and Movado.
3 different individuals, so you have to pay with different. You see me, I say never a package deal. You know what I say? And it do good for me in terms of when you talk about the shows them, you know, we've done a lot of shows and when you combine the 3 of it together, thousands of people come out to see it. Promoters reach out and book the 3 of it sometimes. Sometimes me have my own shows, them Movado have his own shows, them Alkaline have his own shows, them. Sometimes we're in 3 different places at the same time too.
But he switched managers and yes, he's back home, prompting talk on the internet about a breakup with the big 2. Social media, of course, immediately jumped on that. If he's changing management, there's a problem with him and Movado. There's a problem with Alkaline.
No animosity in the man, and you have to remember the Patriots is an individual brand also. I have my own brand. The 3 individuals them have their own brand. So when me want to do with my career, that is my business.
I am listening carefully to what you're saying. No animosity there.
Exactly.
But there's more of a distance there.
Distance.
There's more of a distance between you and.
As I say, my business move has nothing to do with my friendship with me and Movado and Alkaline. It has nothing to do with that. So if we get called for do a show together, we still are going to do it. Yeah.
Everybody is good the same way. Nothing's changed.
No, management change.
Enemies get defeat, wouldn't listen to speech, The moment
yeah.
Is it always to the advantage of the artist to be a part of a team, an alliance with other artists,
I mean,
or is it good to keep your distance sometimes?
It has it good and it bad too, because you can gain from it and then you can lose fans, because I mean everybody have them fans, and when you link with a man say no one listen to you because you're a friend with that man there, and next time you gain who will support them too, so it have it good and it have it bad.
Did that happen to you? Did you lose some of your fans because you were too closely aligned with Movado and Alkaline?
I feel like I'm gain out of the situation. Yeah, because I mean, we are talking about 2 big fan base, you know, Movado fan base and Alkaline fan base, and them people that listen to Jahmiel. So just me have to just do what me know for the best.
We no frightened for your spondyle. But you have one shoes alone, I'm a bill.
His best, according to some, motivational tracks like Gain the World, about aspiring to a better life, and the similarly popular Strongest Soldier.
The strongest soldiers get the hardest fight.
Very different from the diss tunes he did aimed at chronic law.
I don't feel like it's good to be against each other, because you know how me look on it now, being at the place some of them mentally. All the way I come from the same place, as in where get up people pick me, as I say, and Jackie we a chance we can use the talent and take care of our family. So if you bring down each other, I don't see that as healthy.
So the war didn't benefit you? And it didn't benefit Chronic Love?
It benefit me now. When I talk about views and anything there, yeah, monetarily, yeah, it benefit me, but spiritually it never benefit me. I've been in multiple lyrical fields, they don't know family version, so the attention is there when you're in a lyrical battle, but my part when me depend now is more a spiritual part. So when you say, yo, if the war kind of make me realize certain things, what I say, no. What make me realize and come back to the Jahmiel where the people them know is that I have a near-death experience. This is something I see on TV for the first time. And near that experience, I kind of opened my eyes to a lot of things. Show me that life is very short, and would I love to use my time I have on earth in a constructive way and do what I know for the best, which is motivating the people.
So what was that near-death experience?
I don't want to talk about it. But
it involved.
Just show me the signs.
It involved guns?
No man, no guns not involved. It involved prayers. And Jah make me there right now. I just give thanks and do him work. Yeah.
So Jahmiel, the street fighter, the guy who's just going to go out there sometimes and lick lyrical shots, that Jahmiel is on hold right now. It's the other Jahmiel.
Well, you don't know, we not take disrespect still in Anthony, but right now, me I see a bigger picture. You know what I say? If a man want to call Jahmiel name a film business, that is what I say, but right now me focus on one thing, and that's heading to the top. You see what I say?
Tell them say you're the return of a great one.
Before we move on from the war thing, you have any advice to Skillibeng and Intense?
Well, as I say, the whole of we are ghetto people, pitney, I'm going to see it as healthy if you bring down each other. You see what I say? Because Jah give you a chance, if we can use your talent and feed the family, and that's supposed to be the goal.
When the fans want you to do something, sometimes the fans might want you to do something which is not to your advantage, right? Because the fans like the warrior.
You still have to have a mind of your own. Because you see the fans, to them we say yeah, and tomorrow them say no. So you have to have a mind of your own and know where you are dealing with and what. You know, where you value to your art. You see me say, because me is a man, me work from my art, you know. Enough man do music for the art. A-R-T, being creative, but me do it from the art. And that me focus on. But I not judge nobody, because at the end of the day, me been in a lyrical battles, and you see me, I do my thing, but I learn from it and know say, yo, there's a bigger picture, and that's what I focus on.
Because the war thing was a stepping stone.
Yeah, it kind of, you know, one kilo make you stronger. Yeah.
Tell me something about coronavirus apart from the fact that it's hurting you in terms of you can't do shows. I'm looking around at a lot of people here, nobody wears a mask. Why do young people...
don't want to get access.
No, but why do young people think that they can't catch coronavirus? That's a good question.
Yeah, but
you're not
answer no coronavirus.
You wear a mask?
Yeah, man, I wear a mask. I wear a mask, man, to protect myself from coronavirus, because I know say it's real. I know people who catch it abroad, you see me? So I know say it's real. So
you know anybody
people have to just wear them masks.
You know anybody who died?
No. I don't know nobody who died from corona.
You kind of think a lot that I might catch it?
No, I'm not pessimistic. I'm an optimistic person. So when me do, I just focus on making hit songs and go through and live.
Jahmiel living in a different moment, soaking up the vibes here in Drewsland, among friends. But will others hold the past against him? You think some people are going to hold that against you? The fact that, you know, you were in the other camp.
I mean, that been happen to me in music, but that not stop. Real fans will love music from supporting Jahmiel. I still get support. I never get support. Sweet music wouldn't say, yo, I could sign Jahmiel if you never see it as a good move for me. Is what I say. And you know, I say we already start getting calls. I get all the calls to do collabs. You know, I say shows them. We start get calls already, so it'll work.
Who do you want to collab with on the Jamaican scene right now? Who really is the voice you're hearing that says
you know,
yes?
What I want to do right now, I definitely want to do a collab with Chronics. Because the fans them been away from that from a step on the scene, them I say, yo, Chronics collab and a Jahmiel collab would you know, be superb. So I really that.
Can you resonate in the Jamaican street? Can you be popular in the Jamaican ghetto if you are in America?
But you know, sister, Alkaline still have big song and Movado still have big song. Nothing not change. Them still have the impact. Them still have leave impact. So I don't see what's wrong with that.
It's made no difference that they're up in the States. They can be as popular here as they were before.
Yo, you see, it song kick down any boundary. Once you sing it, nobody can stop that. That me know in a music.
What is it you want to tell your fans out there who might have missed you because physically you weren't here for a while? Mm-hmm. What is it you want to say to them?
Strongest soldier. We're there, man. Let's look forward to greater things. As I say, love God, live good. That's the thing there. And stay corona free.
Jahmiel's new single, The World,